For centuries, humanity has looked up at the night sky and asked one question that refuses to fade. Are we alone? Among all the distant stars and planets, one world has captured our imagination more than any other. A cold, silent, rust-colored planet. A world that looks lifeless today, but may not have always been. What if Mars was once alive? Rivers flowed across its surface. Lakes shimmered under an ancient sky, and conditions existed that could have supported life? And if that were true, could something still remain? Not cities, not civilizations, but something far smaller, hidden deep beneath the surface. Something microscopic. For decades, scientists have been searching for answers, not with telescopes alone, but with machines sent across millions of kilometers of space. Machines designed to explore, to analyze, and to search. Not for proof, but for signs. The planet Mars has always stood out. To the human eye, it glows faintly red in the night sky, earning its name as the Red Planet. But behind that color lies a world shaped by time, erosion, and powerful forces. Mars is smaller than Earth. Its atmosphere is thin. Its surface is cold and dry, with temperatures that can drop far below freezing. At first glance, it appears completely lifeless. But the more we study Mars, the more it begins to look familiar. It has valleys, mountains, deserts, and polar ice caps. In some ways, it resembles a frozen version of Earth. And that resemblance raises an important question. If Earth can support life, could Mars have done the same? Today, Mars is a harsh environment. Scientists believe that ancient Mars once had liquid water on its surface. Evidence suggests the presence of rivers, lakes, and possibly even vast oceans. Water is one of the most important ingredients for life as we understand it. Where there is water, there is potential. Mars also had a thicker atmosphere in the past, which could have helped trap heat and create a more stable environment. Combined with energy from the sun, these conditions may have made Mars a place where simple, lifelike microscopic organisms could exist. However, it is important to understand something clearly. There is no confirmed evidence that life has ever existed on Mars. What scientists are searching for are signs, clues, traces left behind. The search is not about proving life exists. It is about asking careful questions and following the evidence wherever it leads. To explore these questions, humanity has sent robotic explorers to Mars. Among the most advanced are the Curiosity rover and the Perseverance rover, both developed by NASA. The Curiosity rover landed on Mars in 2012. Its mission was to study the planet's climate and geology and to determine whether Mars ever had conditions suitable for life. Years later, Perseverance followed. Launched in 2020, Perseverance carries more advanced instruments designed not just to study Mars, but to search for signs of ancient microbial life. These rovers are not simply machines. They are laboratories on wheels. They drill into rocks, analyze soil, and study the environment with incredible precision. Over time, these missions have revealed something remarkable. Mars was not always dry. The Curiosity rover discovered strong evidence that ancient Mars had flowing water. It found rocks shaped by rivers and minerals that only form in the presence of water. This suggests that Mars once had environments that could support. The Perseverance rover has gone even further, exploring a region believed to be an ancient river delta, an area where water once flowed into a lake. These locations are important because on Earth, similar environments often preserve signs of life. Scientists have also studied the Martian atmosphere and soil, finding chemical elements necessary for life, such as carbon and oxygen. Yet, despite all these discoveries, one thing remains missing: proof. The search for life on Mars is not about finding plants or animals. It is about something much smaller: microbial life. Tiny organisms that can survive in extreme conditions. On Earth, microbes exist in places once thought impossible, deep underground, in frozen ice, even in highly acidic environments. If life ever existed on Mars, it may have been similar. That is why the Perseverance rover is carefully collecting samples of rock and soil. These samples may one day be returned to Earth, where scientists can study them in detail. They are searching for patterns, chemical signatures, or structures that might suggest past biological activity. But again, it must be said clearly: no confirmed evidence of life has been found. The search continues. Finding life, or even signs of it, on Mars is incredibly difficult. Time has changed the planet. Dust storms and extreme temperatures may have erased or buried any evidence that once existed. Even if life did exist, it may have been rare, short-lived, or hidden deep beneath the surface, where rovers cannot easily reach. There is also another challenge: distinguishing between biological and non-biological processes. Some chemical patterns can be created by natural processes without life. So scientists must be extremely careful. They must question every result, test every possibility, and avoid jumping to conclusions. So why does this search matter? Why spend decades exploring a distant, frozen world? Because the answer could change how we understand life itself. If Mars once had conditions suitable for life, it tells us something important. It tells us that the building blocks of life may not be unique to Earth. But at the same time, the lack of confirmed evidence reminds us of something equally powerful. Life, especially complex life, may be incredibly rare. From a broader perspective, the search also invites reflection. The universe is vast, structured, and filled with order. From the movement of planets to the laws that govern matter and energy, everything follows a precise design. And as we explore these distant worlds, we are reminded not only of what we do not know, but of how unique and special life on Earth truly is. Mars remains silent. Its deserts stretch endlessly. Its skies glow faintly red, and its surface holds the secrets of a distant past. Through missions like the Curiosity rover and the Perseverance rover, humanity has taken its first steps toward understanding this mysterious world. We have found water. We have found the building blocks of life, but we have not found life itself. Not yet. And perhaps that is what makes this journey so powerful. The search continues, not as a claim, but as a question, a careful, patient exploration of one of the greatest mysteries in science. Are we alone? For now, the answer remains unknown. But in seeking that answer, we are learning more about the universe and about ourselves. Because sometimes the greatest discoveries are not the answers we find, but the questions that lead us forward.